All right, everybody. Squash, zucchini, garlic, olive oil, onions, sauteed, scrumptious, beans and rice, cooked by me. This did not come. This did not come out of a can. It comes out of. I don't think y'all can see that. My crock pot. Oh. So that is what I will be having for dinner, along with that's my son's doing. That's my son's doing. That's my son's doing. See all that stuff? I don't eat none of that. I will be having filtered water, a glass of protein milk. I don't do the eggs and all that. I don't do all that cheese and shit. Anyway, that's what it is. It's one of those days. Day started out pretty good, got kind of funky because my indoor heater fan went out. That could drive you to drink. Nah, just joking. And the repairman ain't get here. He'll be here in the morning. So we will be using heaters. Let me walk you around to the heater. One of the heaters. Space heater. Another heater. As you can see, I got the basement blocked off because it's cold down there, like a refrigerator. But anyway, we're doing some remodeling. That's why it's so empty looking in here. But anyway, today was an awesome day. Other than the heat going out and me having to fire somebody, other than that, everything was great. So it's been a very long day. Some days these videos are gonna be short, but I'll give y'all some information. But as long as you can look into my eyes and witness the soberness, we good. Till next time, I'll see y'all later. I'm about to get to that food, then I'm about to get to that bed. Peace.